L&D gang. LeShala Mayuan.
And it's your boy, DEBO. You new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on.
And if you've been here before, make sure you hit that like button because you know it's about to get lit. Alright, so ask about the title and as you see by this big old Kool-Aid smile. No. I ain't ready, y'all. This is my first time trying the Popeyes chicken sandwich, so let's just get to it.
No,
and you know I had to try it with the L&D gang, period. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can join the L&D gang.
Everybody know that.
Period, poo. Oh my god, y'all.
This is my first time eating Popeyes chicken.
For real? Period. Oh yeah, I try Popeyes with my sister before, y'all. And the rice and beans and stuff. I'm not too much a fan of rice and beans, I'm not gonna lie. Let's get straight to the sandwich.
I thought it's about to be.
Look at this. Oh my god.
It's about to be my first taste of Popeyes chicken in this way. But this is a sandwich. You know, it's crazy. Look at that. Like, boy, this motherfucker. You probably can't even see how big it is in real life.
Right. Alright, let's take a thumbnail.
Alright, man. I ain't gonna have fire.
Alright, come on. Alright, y'all. I'm sorry. Let's get to it. You ready?
Hold on.
Alright, let's get it, y'all. Alright, come on. Sandwich time. Let's go. Cheers. You can't be ready to me when I'm...
No.
All of real?
I was gonna eat it for him while you was doing that. Cheers.
Boop. Hold on, let me look first. Okay, this is what the inside look. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to look.
Right,
Let me spread this pickle out.
I'm a tasty type.
They ain't put that much spice in there, I don't think, but let's get it. Ready?
Looks like I got a lot.
Set. Let's do it. Cheers. I'm messing with it.
Yeah, you cooked that. It's fresh.
I'm messing with how big it is. I'm thinking I'm liking this chicken sandwich without lettuce and tomato.
Need some pickle. Got a good spice. Got a little sauce. A little sauce on your lip. Like that, sir.
Okay, so I'm sure if y'all watch the video, y'all probably already tried it.
Y'all like, damn, they in the dark ages. They ain't tried the Popeye sandwich.
I taste the spice. If y'all from a different country, do you have Popeyes in a different country? I wonder. Lemonade slab. So it just come with a large with the bill, baby. I ain't get no pickle yet. This better be my first pickle thing.
Yeah, pickle's going crazy. I'm telling you. You talking like you ain't got no sauce, but you tripping a lot.
Oh, wow.
Trip too hard.
That pickle do.
Oh.
That pickle do go. That's a cucumber.
Jimmy Jones stuff. Take your big falling your out.
Whew. I want to fry. So, how many of y'all tried this before? Let us know y'all thoughts on it. Is it better than Chick-fil-A chicken burger? We haven't tried a Chick-fil-A chicken burger, huh?
We always eat the same burger.
No, we don't really get chicken burgers. Like this? Make it want to get chicken burger. I don't like crust too much. You like crust a lot, so I don't know if I'm a fan too much of the crust on the side. Like if it don't have meat in it. Yeah. I'm that type of gal.
I
but
fuck with the
I mean, I mess with it. I eat it.
The spice is hitting. I don't even know if it tastes like this when it first came out. I ain't gonna cap. I hadn't tried.
Does it taste the same now, y'all? I think so, because a lot of people say that.
And better.
I watch this Betty Twins a lot on YouTube, and they say they do.
Boy.
What's some top, babe? What's some little review, first time trying Popeyes, Mukbang, all that in one.
This sandwich all the way thumbs up.
This is doing something. I don't know why. And I don't even eat chicken sandwiches, but for some reason it's doing something.
I'm like, should I be full right now? Nah, you don't know.
And for $6.99, this is good. Now I can say this is definitely gotta beat the size of Chick-fil-A. Definitely, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, y'all see that pickle? Better get that good old pickle bite in.
Yeah, that pickle good. Boy. Boy, that goddamn boy. Boy.
And see if you had more fries, try one extra fries. Not eat fries.
I don't know what kind of meat. I can. My dog over here like, this is something new. I don't know why, but I ain't gonna lie. I thought everybody was happy. Fucking good on my phone. I couldn't tell it can't be that good.
And the chicken's so damn big, it's gonna swallow the bun.
Fuck the bun. I ain't even about the bun.
No, the bun, it's about the bun too now. See, this is all crust for me. You want some crust, babe?
I'm playing. It's on plating now.
Yeah, on too much crust, you know what I mean? It's still good because I did. If you want to come out this crunchy, you don't need all that batter.
Hell, crunchy. Man. I don't know nothing. Something fucking with that shit. It's my first time tasting.
Oh, yeah, this Popeyes serious.
I done ate some goddamn churches.
I forgot to just trying Popeyes chicken, period. Yeah, I told you I do like their chicken more than churches and shit.
Yeah, let's go. I'm about to go crazy though.
Ooh, hallelujah. Ooh. All right, y'all. Period. Yeah, my last little bite.
I don't even know what to do.
Oh, they say you use chicken thighs, huh? Not even chicken breast. It's like meat so damn chill. It ain't like no thick, white, and dry. You see how tender that meat is? I like the crust though, so. So what's your thought? Oh, no.
Oh, I'm gonna ask her. She used to ask. It gave me goosebumps.
Okay.
I got the goosebumps.
Yeah, he has a good one. The crunch actually is like you pop that crunch back in.
Get that goddamn pickle, man. I don't know why I had that bite with that pickle. It's like that one like crazy.
This is a definite pull up. Let me get 2 spicy chicken meals. 2 lemonades. I mean, you might have tried some of the other side though.
Yeah. They asked me what side. I say French fries.
Yeah, I look out. You know, I don't like dressed beans.
I like fries.
Ooh.
You need to try the rice and beans. I like that stuff. See what they talking about.
All right, y'all.
I ain't got time.
Okay, there. What's up? For real.
Yeah. What the damn face? Nasty.
This ain't no good, girl. Huh? Sure. This ain't no good because I'll never get sauce on it. Here, y'all. Y'all saw the reaction. I'm gonna have to go back and look at my own damn reaction. I just know devouring all. It is so good.
Y'all see my girlfriend new hair? Yeah, I like it.
How you like the hair? Comment down below. Let me know how you like the new hair, dude.
Put on a drip, you know what I'm saying?
If you want to go see how I put this, boy, please. If you want to go see how I did this hairstyle.
Yellow. Ooh.
If you want to go see, yes, I did those. If you want to see how I did this hairstyle, go over to my channel. It is in the description down below. Period. Okay. So y'all saw the reaction. This is a 10 for me. This is a 10, and I don't think I need no lettuce and tomato on that. This is straight pull up, give me 2 spicy chicken sandwiches. Period, Pooh. Y'all let us know in the comments if you guys try Popeye sandwich and what you guys think about the sandwich, and if you guys think it's better than Chick-fil-A sandwich, because we have not tried it yet. If you ever want us to do a comparison video, comment down below. Let us know too. Make sure you guys like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time we post a brand new video. Also follow our social media at the top or the bottom of the screen or in the description box down below, and follow us on TikTok in the description box down below. And if you want to shout out our next video, comment down below #MDGang, and we'll give you guys a shout out our next video. Can't get enough.
Let
me get one more bite. For y'all.
Gotta do a lot. I ain't cold. I don't know why.
You gotta say we'll be back more video, but
I feel cold. I'm cold now. Come on. And we back for more videos.